partners in performance.
Hey everybody, it's Rich again, and I have a special guest with me today. As you know, on this channel, we really like to cover as much as we can on quality steering and suspension tips and tricks and things that you need to know in order to have safer and happier driving. It is my pleasure to introduce to you the Sprinter Doctor. And I really want you to learn a little bit from him because he has his own YouTube channel. But before we give that plug, tell us a little bit about yourself, David, and what made you start the channel, and what are you passionate about? Because you told me something a little bit off camera that I thought was great.
Yeah, you know, at the end of the day, my job is to make sure you are driving the best vehicle in the world, which is Mercedes-Benz. It's a vehicle that I believe wholeheartedly in. You know, I've been with Mercedes my whole career. Thousands of people come together to build this product. And, you know, there's always going to be things that don't work right because you got all these people building the sensors and the components. And then you have the people that have to come together to put it together at the assembly plant. And so, you know, there's so many things that can go wrong. It's my job to make that vehicle work the way it's designed to work, because you, the Mercedes-Benz customer, deserves to have the best of the best. And that's, you know, what I am trying to help you to achieve, you know, give you the information that you need, you know, in order to have your vehicle operating as it's designed to operate. And because, you know, at the end of the day, I want a happy customer. And Rich with SuperSteer, I know they want a happy customer, and that's what we strive to do. And, you know, we really care about our customers, and, you know, we will trip, fall, and skin our knees to delight the customer, and that's what I live by. And so, you know, I'm just so glad to have the opportunity to work with SuperSteer and Rich, you know, and to get the message out to you guys and to help everybody to enjoy their experience with their Mercedes-Benz Sprinter.
Yeah, that's great. It's no coincidence we're actually underneath a Sprinter 3500. If you look, this is an OEM version of it. We make a replacement bar for the sway bar. We have a track bar, auxiliary bar. We have our own shocks and stuff like that. In future videos, Dave and I are going to be talking a little bit about each component and what you need to know about it. How does it relate to, for example, what's the sensor that goes off?
The Crosswind Assist.
Crosswind Assist. So if you're ever driving in a windy condition and that sensor goes off, we're going to talk about what that is in future videos. But before we get into that, I just really wanted to introduce David, the Sprinter Doctor, to you. And in the description below, you'll see a link to his channel. Now, he's having massive success. I mean, he's pushing 7,000 subscribers already, and he shares his heart. So our relationship, our partnership I think it's really great because we focus just on steering and suspension. There's so many other variables when it comes to this chassis that I think you're going to get good value from that. So we're looking forward to working with you.
Absolutely. Yeah, me as well.
All right. Thank you, David.
All right.
And if you find this content valuable, please like and subscribe so that you're notified when other videos come up that has the same kind of content. And until we see you in another video or on the road, we wish you safer and happier driving.
Thanks, guys.
Woo! All right, that's perfect.